In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use daily Google Slides for teaching. If you're a teacher looking to integrate technology into your classroom or simply want to make your lessons more engaging, Google Slides is a fantastic tool. It's versatile, easy to use, and accessible to anyone with a Google account. Now let's dive into our step-by-step guide to getting started with Google Slides. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your search engine, or if you prefer, entering the direct URL slides.google.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Google account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll see the prompt to put in your credentials. This is crucial as it allows you to save your work to the cloud, making it accessible anywhere with an internet connection. With your login complete, let's move on to the Google Slides homepage. This is your central hub where you'll see any presentations you've previously worked on. If you're new or have a clean slate, it'll be mostly empty, ready for your educational creations. Now it's time to create a new presentation. Look for the large plus sign or the option that typically says blank presentation and give it a click. This leads you to a new slide deck where you can really start crafting your teaching material. Remember, this is your canvas to make something uniquely suited to your class's needs. When you're ready to flesh out your slide, adding content is simple. Just click on the text boxes provided to type in your information or prompts. You can also insert images and shapes, which is a wonderful way to not only make your slides visually appealing, but to cater to students who benefit from visual learning aids. You can find these insert options in the menu along the top of your screen. To make sure your presentation stays engaging and polished, you might want to explore changing the slide design. Google Slides offers various themes that instantly change up the look of your presentation. The design options reside under Theme in the top menu. This is a great way to keep things fresh and maintain your students' interest throughout the lesson. And there you have it. A straightforward, easy to follow guide to setting up daily Google Slides for teaching. Whether you're creating a new lesson plan or looking to digitize your teaching materials, Google Slides gives you the flexibility and tools you need to succeed. Don't forget the beauty is in the details, tailor each slide to the topic at hand, and remember that visuals can often speak louder than words. Thanks for tuning in, and happy teaching.